How to fix Instagram couldn't add to the template problem. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on Search. Now search for Instagram. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now wait for some time until the update is being installed. Now after installing, go to Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Tap on App Management and search for Instagram. Now click on Force Stop and go to Storage Usage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Tap on Data Usage. Now make sure to disable the toggle for Disable Mobile Data and Disable Wi-Fi. Now go back to Instagram. If nothing solves the issue, at the bottom right corner tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines. Now scroll down and tap on Help. Now click on Report your problem. Now click Report problem without checking. Now describe your issue and tap on Send and wait for some time until Instagram fixes your issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.